Hello, students. I want to make sure in this summer course, because it is an online course, and for some of you, it might be your first fully online course. I want to make sure that we can keep up to date and that we're communicating effectively. So, one of the things that this video is going to talk about is how to set the settings in your account. So, if you look under your menu right here on the left side, go ahead and click on Account. And one of the things I want to make sure is that you click on your settings. When you click on your settings and you look under your account, I want to make sure that you have the correct email addresses. Okay, so that's number one because I have to be able to communicate with you. If you're not, if you don't have a correct email address, you can always add it by just clicking email here, typing in your email address, and then register email. And you can add more than one email, just like I do. If you prefer to be contacted through a text, that's an option too. You can hit here, contact method, put in your cell number, your carrier, and then register that particular cell phone. And you'll receive a text whenever there's an announcement or something like that. Again, this is the same way as email or text, but there has to be a way for me to communicate with you directly. So that's the first thing. Go to account, go under settings, make sure I have the correct way of contacting you. Another thing that you can do is you can submit a profile pic. So if you go under files, you should see that you have my files, for example. Now, you may not have any files in here. If you do, great. If you don't, it's not a big deal. One of the things you can do is you can click on folders and add a folder. So you can directly type, let's say like video folder, and click on that, and now you have a new folder. And then in that folder, you could click and add things and drop files if you want. Um, I don't really need that folder. So let's say you want to delete that folder. You can come over here and just delete that folder. Okay. But one of the things you might want to do is, again, have a profile pic. So you can go ahead and upload a file, click upload, and then your window will pop in, and then you can search on your computer a file that you would like to upload for your picture and just go ahead and open it. So you can have JPEGs or different file types here. So that's a way to upload for your account pictures so you have a image. And that's again under account, files. So settings was for the email and the best way to contact you. Files allows you to upload images, so you can upload your image under your account. And then there's a profile setting. And when you go under profile, this is where you can upload that profile pic and just click edit. And what that looks like is you can click edit, you can upload a picture, you can take a picture, you can choose a picture. There's different options, okay? The other thing is what you can do is edit a profile and put a biography. That is not a requirement at all. Again, I would like for you to update a profile pic and make sure your settings are on the correct track. The other thing is notifications. Because this is an online course and this is a summer course, things are going to move quickly. So I'm hoping that out of all this, you're going to make sure you have the correct contact information. So I have my email addresses. And the only thing I'm going to ask you to do is under announcements. I don't really care about due dates, grading, course content, but under announcements, I want to make sure that you click this check mark so that you're notified every day right away. So make sure that you click on announcements and that you're notified all the time. Now, I didn't have this notify me right away because it goes straight to my Yahoo. So for your account, again, make sure your notifications, your announcements you're being notified right away for the course. In your profile, you've uploaded an image that you added into your files. And then under your settings, you have the most recent emails or telephone number for me to contact you. So I look forward to meeting all of you. I hope this was helpful. Again, many of you already know this, but for those of you who didn't, hopefully that'll help bring you on board. And I look forward to working with all of you this semester.